November 28, 2010 was the first day we met. Started off as friends. You were standing on my right and I was on your left. Couldn't get you off my sight, cause damn, you were looking fresh. Didn't mean to make you cry and shed those tears. I only wanna show you how much I truly care. I hope you understand, no matter what they say, I will still be your man by the end of the day. Yeah, I know we've been through thick and thin, but as long as you stay true to me, our love will never end. We'll hold each other tight and work our way around through these hardships and through these ups and downs.
Ever since the first day we started as friends, never thought that one day you would be my man. Until you came into my life to open my eyes and made me finally realize that you were my type of guy